This is a recipe for Japanese sweet potatoes baby food. Here are the steps. First, rinse the potato skin and cut them into smaller pieces. I cut them in half, but for big ones, I cut into 3 or 4 pieces so they fit in the pot. I got these sweet potatoes from Whole Foods. They sell Japanese sweet potatoes. I know that in some states they don't sell Japanese sweet potatoes, but the regular sweet potatoes. Put the sweet potatoes in boiled water and make sure the potatoes are fully covered by water. If outside of the water, even a little bit, that portion won't be cooked. Then the potato needs to be rotated. Also, if not cooked all the way through, the sweetness will be lost and they won't taste very good. Now, check the softness by sticking the forks in. And if the forks go in without any resistance, that means it's ready. But if there's some resistance, yes, it needs to be cooked a little bit more. So total cook time will be somewhere around 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Now, as you can see, the potato became very fluffy and soft. Drain the water. When I used purple potatoes instead of Japanese ones, the water was very purple. Peel off the skin while they are hot. It's very easy. Use hands or a fork. Use a blender to mush, and the food will be homogeneous and even more fluffy. I use Evla's baby's food processor, and usually I run it for a few minutes, at least 2 minutes. Now it's done. Transfer the contents into a food storage container or a plate and serve while it's warm.